If you seek Bekus, women powerhouse, man, if I not be here. Altar of God, when be say, person they go to find blessing. You go cry to God, God will hear your prayer. Now, dear people, go to do Kriwawa. Hello, my people. How na dey? I welcome you back again to my Humble Wife TV show. If today be the first one, be like say you dey waka, the kurukere, the post, the pass. Now you come across this channel. I beg you hit the subscribe button. Make you also click the notification bell so that when be say anytime when be say I come out with better news like this, you go there where say something dey happen for this quorum. And for those of you when be say they always they come around every time, God will continue to bless you for everything when I put in your hand. It will work. Today, the news when I carry come, it choke. We when we say we work out, they go messages and not send us. When we see our mouth not will close, we'll carry and confess share with you. To let you understand to see what thing they happen for the area. Before I go to Stewart Savage matter, I want to talk about this particular video when be like say it a trade for social media about one pastor when go to Kerewa another married woman for altar of God. For people when pastor they stand, they preach. Before I will talk about the video, for some of you will never see them, I want more and watch the video. Then I will come back and talk about the video.
Aha, suffer. Any action. Aha, suffer. Suffer. Yakaya. Suffer Yakaya.
I see. No.
Suffer. Wolf, make catch no coup. Mautiso. Hey, we make catch no coup. Mautiso.
Now what about this here?
Solid game. Solid game. A solid game. Mautiso.
Okay, my people. When I see this video, what happen so? Pastor go to Kerewa another married woman from top of altar. Person wife. Person mama. They not go see another place go. They come say na top of altar of God. Before, people they fear God. This life what we did now, fear of God don't far from people. In fact, when they talk about God, say they don't even send you. Now things like this, now they cause them. Muslim man not fit try this thing when this pastor try so. Before, if anybody get problem, go altar of God, go kneel down. Go call Baba God, go cry, go weep. You go pour our own hearts to God. You say, as you pray that prayer, you go feel the presence of God. Say, yes, Baba God stand with you. Before you reach us, God don't answer your prayer. But nowadays, you will go out of God, you go they pray, you go cry. Before you even come up for that, stand up for that altar, you go get headache. Why? Because many altars, they don't defile them. Person go carry wawa finish, you go come kneel down for altar. Person go carry wawa finish, you go come carry microphone for top of altar of God. When we they grow up, they let us understand that I say, if you're not clean as a woman, you're not supposed to climb altar of God, come they preach. But nowadays, woman not clean, you will see her for top of altar. Nothing they happen. Why? Fear of God, not the day again. Person go they do another person something evil. You go let the person go say, yes, na me they do you this thing. You go take her and hit in chest. Say, yes, this pain when you pass through, so na me they do. Nothing they happen. True, nothing they happen. But when we they grow, they come up those, they want we small. If person want do bad, they go they fear. Make him brother no know. Make sister no know. Make village people not hear. Make them not there where say, now this evil they come from your hand. Nowadays, nobody they fear God again. Because if not, how pastor for that kind of open place, not see any place, kerewawa, constant at top of altar. Anyway, if I tell me I talk about this matter as my mind be, go be like say some people go say a humble wife. You're not supposed to talk like this, supposed to talk like that. So I will just leave the matter for you because when I don't watch the video. So may you leave your comment. What you feel about this video? Leave them for them. Another matter we carry me come here today, na be Tiwa Savage matter. The video they trade since, I be not want to go that place. Because the woman answer call of nature. And I want more than know, you when they watch this video, may you know say, what happened to Tiwa Savage, fish happen to anybody. Because the word when we did now, husband feel betray wife, wife feel betray husband. So you went their husband house, or when you say your boyfriend to love you past your whole life, you self be wise. Because what happened to Tiwa Savage so, now lesson to everyone. Now lesson to everybody. When I be no want to talk about the matter, what it make me talk about because of some people I see for social media. And they say, if you seek Bekus, Allah, so what? If the woman something not still fine now I will still talk and say, the woman this is not fine. A whole celebrities, she not they need, she not they do this. Bekus na woman powerhouse. Momo, now they cover the engine and the boy hole when they for the center. Or the pipeline when they for the center. So Tiwa Savage Bekus not that different from every other woman Bekus. If now men, even they criticize her now, I go say her, now so men, they don't use my feeling, they do anyhow. But not be fellow woman like Tiwa Savage. Because if she believes, say, or she knows, say, camera did that place where she did for they do that thing that day, I believe, say, she for not do what she do. And she answered the call of nature, where if it happen to anybody, say you deal with your partner, you free yourself, you do what you want to do. The fellow women constantly come out for social media, they insult her. Why? Why we women, they criticize woman when answer call of nature because it not happen to you. You when they watch me so. Not because they criticize Tiwa Savage. Now to learn lesson from what happened to her. Because what happened to her so, if it happen to anybody. Because even the boyfriend will do the thing. Maybe now he use and set up. Or instead not know say camera did. But it's a lesson for everyone. Not be to criticize her. Because that woman psychologically she go there in pain. It's not easy. Fine, we all know that. But at this time, women supposed to stand by her. Now the one of the reasons we say make me like to DK be this. She's a strong woman. And another second woman when I don't see her be Tiwa Savage. When we say no matter how it be, you cannot shame the shameless. They still stand gidigba. Anyway, now just what I get for now today. Now I be this one I say I can still share with you now. So feel free, may you share the video. Leave your comment for comment section. Anything maybe say you think about this video. Because every one of us they learn. May we not they laugh our fellow being. Because what happened to Paul, it happened to Peter. So now here I will stop for today. Okay, and may you remember, if you never subscribe, hit the subscribe button. And as you do that, God will bless all of you. Stay blessed. Yeah, I come your way again next time. Bye-bye.